Spray Foam Insulation NYC understands the importance of completing a quality job on time and within budget. With our experienced staff, you can rest assured that you have found the right company for your project. We offer closed cell and open cell spray foam insulation for homes and commercial buildings. We have over 15 years of experience and the knowledge to work with contractors, builders, developers, and architects. We can help you reduce your energy cost, which significantly promotes energy efficiency when operating a heating and cooling system. Spray foam insulation is energy efficient, delivering energy savings of up to 50% for the life of your property, and it outperforms 99% of fiberglass batt insulation. We proudly serve all 5 boroughs, New Jersey, and the greater New York area. We will help you find the most cost-effective solution and provide the most valuable advice and assistance on your project. Give us a call for your next residential and commercial insulation project.